Hello, my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. It's another week, which of course means I'm back at Aldi. However, I'm shopping Sunday night. I have Elsie here with me, and she has requested that we make a viral recipe she's seen, so we're going to get all the ingredients in there. Also, it is a holiday week. You've seen I've already bought all of my Thanksgiving ingredients. We're traveling a bit this week, which means my list is smaller than normal. And even though it's a shorter abnormal week and abnormal list, I do still have to get in to complete it. So let's go. Mila didn't ask for it, but I'm going to get more cider just because I think we need it. Elsie agreed. She thinks we do. Do red grapes sound good too? They seem pretty nice and firm. I'm going to get a smaller bag though, because we're not here that much this week. $1.59 a pound. I mentioned that I already did the grocery shopping for Thanksgiving, but I did not plan to saute green beans, and Mila asked me to, so I'm going to make these as well. Yes, we're already having green bean casserole, but Mila likes plain green beans. Butter, garlic, salt, pepper. I want to get more mandarins for Kel. $3.59. Some red stickers are catching my eye, but I don't need any of them. There's some croissants down there, some donuts. Guys, it's already started. She found some breakfast banana nut muffins. These are $3.89. She's promised she'll eat them. We heard it here first. Okay, Matt wants to make Chex Mix. He loves making that near the holidays. So I'm going to get mini pretzel twists, $1.99 for these. He wants rye chips, which I think we'll need to get at Meijer, but I'm going to take a picture of these to show him these for the future. Bagel chips. They have garlic and sea salt. They're $2.99 a piece. They're not quite rye chips, although we could also look in the charcuterie area. We'll do that too. Only 2 days of lunches this week, so brownies, 1 box is enough for both kids, $1.89. Okay, some more Chex Mix stuff. We're getting the Cheez-Its, the original flavor, or baked cheese, $3.79. And Matt also loves the soup and oyster crackers, $1.39 for these. And Elsie is taking cheese and crackers in her lunch. Elsie, do you want the vegetable rounds? She just likes to put these, or she just takes a sleeve of these in her lunchbox with some cut up cheese, some vegetables. Calls it a day. $2.39 for these. Kel really enjoyed having salads in his lunch last week. $1.95. I need more honey mustard. That's his dressing of choice. Even though it's a short week, I'm still going to get peppers to slice. Oh no, that was open. I didn't do that. You guys saw. Ooh, that one's nasty though. No one needs to buy that anyways. So I'm saving someone. Look at this, $2.39 for a 3-pack. $2.39 dry roasted salted peanuts for the Chex Mix. Okay, so the viral thing Elsie wants to try is of course the sweetened soaked cranberries, 95 cents. Have some new breads and cookies. They have brown and serve rolls, the marbled rye bread sliced, which I always think of St. Patrick's Day. They have peppermint swirl brownies, some holiday cookies here, gingerbread sandwich cookies, $4.99. These are $4.49, and the sugar cookies are not priced. They also have these holiday assorted cookies, and they have the Loft House Bake Shop version, $3.95. Lots of cute things. I am a little surprised, and maybe this is why we don't have any. They don't have garlic salt here? Nope. It's only garlic powder. Okay, I guess I need to get that at Meijer. Now, the recipe Elsie wants to make does call for powdered sugar, but we have a lot of that. But Aldi's bag is... A bag here at Aldi would be $1.89, but we already have it. I need more sugar. We've been baking more, and of course making pies. I'm making 2 this week. Well, maybe Mila's going to make one. I'm going to make the other for Thanksgiving. $2.89. More mandarin oranges, $2.29 for lunches. Matt, of course, needs rice checks or rice squares for Chex Mix. These are $2.75. Okay, Elsie found some hot and spicy chicken ramen. They're $1.39 a piece. What are you going to grab 4? Just to have some in the pantry as well. Her and Kel like those. Mila, of course, won't eat it because it is chicken. I asked Mila if I made the stuffing vegetarian if she'd eat it, and she said it did not matter. So I am going to end up getting some chicken stock to make the stuffing with. And not care if it's vegetarian. I like the flavor of chicken stack. We are gonna have fettuccine Alfredo one night this week, so of course I need fettuccine. I have a lot of cream on hand to make the Alfredo. $1.99, $2.95. I'm gonna get more Parmesan, of course, for the pasta dinner. We ended up bumping baked potatoes from last week to this week, but I did use the bacon, so I'm gonna get more. I'm gonna get the same center cut bacon, $4.69. We need orange juice to soak the cranberries in, $3.79, and so many people drain it. I think my kids will drink it after we soak in it. Now it looks like the flavors are the same, but they've updated the quiche packaging. Yum, I love the quiche. I would eat this much more frequently if I had a different family. This is new. They have holiday nuggets. They're $6.99 and they're shaped like reindeer, snowman, I'm not sure, gingerbread person stocking, candy cane tree, $6.99. Okay, Elsie went off and of course she came back with pineapple juice. It was $4.89. It's your favorite, isn't it? Yeah. She drinks some every morning. But we're heading back. There's boneless chicken, buffalo style. We still have this, the boneless turkey breast, yeast rolls, deep dish pizza, the grilled cheese. A lot of this stuff we've seen here for a while. Mushroom bites, fried gnocchi, frozen frappes. Out here are some puff pastries, caramelized onion and Gouda puff pastries, and also cranberry and feta. And these are $4.99 per pack. But over here, $3.49. This pizza my son absolutely loved as like a little after school snack, or even if he doesn't like what we're eating. He's very picky right now. $3.49. I'm gonna get 2 more packs of these. He loved them. To go with her crackers and cheese and veggies and fruit, we of course need cheese for Elsie's lunch, and she wants sharp cheddar, $1.79. There are different appetizers here, and I'm sure this appeals to others. $4.49, golden crispy. They have a shrimp ring tray, $10.99. Lobster mac and cheese over there, or shrimp and lobster bake. They have the scones still here, cranberry, orange, and blueberry. I don't see, oh, the pumpkin is over here now. So these are $5.79. Still no repeat of my sticky pudding. The apple remains. Bring the sticky pudding back. It was so good. As a follow-up, we did all like this white cheddar mac and cheese I got last week, $6.99, but it was very similar to Panera's. We are traveling this weekend, staying in Indianapolis to go to NFL and NBA game. Kind of some fun on a holiday weekend, but we always travel with extra waters. So for $4.25, I'm going to get a lemon and a lime, and then we're also going to get a packet of water. We're going to get the 24 pack here at $2.99. We only have one more item to get, and then we're going to check out, but a lot of what we're using I already bought, or I'm trying to use things we have on hand before we head out, which is one of the reasons we're also having leftovers a couple nights this week. But for the cranberries, we do need to get Citrus Twist, 99 cents for that. And this is it. Any guess on my total before I check out? We did buy a couple items. Someone in front of us forgot their wallet, so it bumped it up just a few dollars, but our total was $99.09, and now we're going to head to Meijer. Bless you, Elsie. We've arrived at Meijer. Our time crunch is a little less intense now. Aldi, at the end of the day, they're doing their Zamboni, cleaning the floor and sweeping, and you feel like you're in their way. They're very efficient. We'll have a little more breathing room here at Meijer, though, to finish out the list. First on our list, toasted coconut ice cream. Mila asked for this. Thankfully, it's on sale, $3.99. We love Hudsonville. I love all of their ice cream. Usually, she asks for the Traverse City fudge, which I love. Elsie is now, because we're here, asking for brownie batter cookie dough. Go ahead. But my favorite, which I'm not seeing, is their triple peanut butter. It's so good. It's peanut butter ice cream, peanut butter swirls, peanut butter cups. It's yummy. They have a lot of yummy ones, though. Elsie should thank her lucky stars. They have one of her juices left. Elsie, do you feel like you hit the lottery?
Yes.
There you go, girl. This is getting to be a heavy basket. Okay, I asked the kids if they wanted snacks to take on the trip for the hotel, and they want the hot chips. They all love them, the flaming hot cheddar and sour cream. Also, we grabbed 2 of them. They are thankfully on sale, 2 for $8 instead of $4.89 a piece. Final count, we're getting flaming hot barbecue, not the sour cream and cheddar. Cal asked me to get Pringles, and I did mean to get them from Aldi, and I totally skipped them on the list, unfortunately, when I was double checking in the Meijer parking lot. So I'm gonna get these, but they're $2.19. I'm not gonna buy 3. Okay, so these are also a necessity for Matt's Chex Mix. The special request garlic rye chips, $3.59. Everyone, please clap for me. I actually remembered to come get garlic salt. $1.49. Okay, so I'm looking for erasable pens. I use erasable pens in my planner to make my lists. I love them because I like to have the look of a pen, but for it to be able to be erased. These are ones that I have that I've basically run out of all of the ink. I'm probably going to get these again, but I wouldn't mind just having like a black set too. Maybe I'll get these. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. Still gonna give Elsie 2. She uses these in school. I'm gonna take blue, pink, and black and give her orange and teal. But they're $8.99. I use them to the end. Okay, we're about to go get our last item, but I want to show you something that I have really I've opened these as a product thing to share. They're so cute. If you have a little girl in your life that loves babies, loves miniatures, loves surprises, I'm going to tell you, little Jackie would have wanted a million of these. Older Jackie still wants a million, but they're so fun. So if you're looking for a gift for someone, great idea here. Okay, another thing I've noticed is advent calendars are going on sale. All of these are 15% off, or I guess I don't know that all of them are, but if you haven't bought advent calendars, they are getting marked down the closer you get to December 1st, so procrastinating could potentially pay off. Okay, the last thing I need is Matt wanted me to get some beer for him. Fine, I'm gonna get a 12-pack of 16-ounce cans, so he gets less cans but more per can, $13.99, also on sale still. Elsie's got the basket, I've got the beer. Any guess on our total as we head to checkout? I am doing the walk of shame to my car convenience store version because I didn't bring my ID. I never buy alcohol. No one ever thinks I'm under 21, but I need it. So Elsie's with the groceries at the self-checkout. I'm getting my ID. I rarely take my wallet into stores anymore when I'm recording because it's just bulky, and this is a men's wallet. It's the one I won on The Price is Right. It was from the actual stage. I love it, but I just never buy alcohol, and I use Apple Pay. Sometimes it bites me in the butt, though. Okay, so I really did not have luck here at Meijer. My total is $52 on the dot, which I generally think is pretty lucky. But after forgetting my ID, we rang up everything, and it froze in the middle of paying, so we had to grab our stuff and re-ring up and re-scan the ID again. But now we spent the $52, and now I can go home and share with you our meal plan. Okay, so our meal plan for the week, we are having baked potato bar on Monday. We were supposed to have this yesterday on Sunday, but the kids and I ended up going to Detroit to see the Museum of Illusions that opened this weekend. I've been wanting to go to that for so long, and when I saw it was in Detroit finally, we made a day out of it. Tuesday, we are having Alfredo sauce, pasta, chicken. I'm using some of the thin chicken breasts I have in my freezer, and then I have cauliflower that I had bought a few weeks ago and I still haven't made it. I'm going to roast that. I'm trying to use up foods that I have, which is why I plan both these meals. Baked potato bar always has leftovers. Pasta has leftovers. I'm sure we might have some cauliflower. So we're having leftovers on Wednesday because Thursday I'm making all of the Thanksgiving things. Some of it will get started on Wednesday. Obviously, Thanksgiving, we're having a whole bunch of meals. I made a video on all of the things I'm making. I also am adding green beans to that list. Friday, we're going to have leftovers of Thursday's meal. I have double leftovers because I don't want a ton of food on hand because Saturday and Sunday, we're going to be in Indianapolis, and we're going to be not here to eat the food. So I'm trying to use up things that we have on hand. Somehow, I still ended up spending about $150 this week. But I did get things that weren't necessarily grocery, such as my pens. And in case you've never used a erasable pen, I just want to show you. This is why I love them so much. They look like a pen. But if you make mistakes like I do, or your schedule changes, or you change your mind, look at that, it erases. They're so lovely. I use them so much I just run out of ink, but they're great. If you missed my Thanksgiving meal and you want to see what I'm making this week, it's just going to be the 5 of us at home. You can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.